You know the saying, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade? Well, we say when life gives you lemons, olive oil, and honey, pour them on everything. These three simple ingredients can work wonders. Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe so that our channel can grow. Now let's dive into the 100 reasons why you should pour these three magical ingredients on everything. Number 1 to 20, health benefits galore, from boosting your immune system to helping you maintain a healthy weight. Starting us off at number 1, olive oil. This Mediterranean gem is packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fats, that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce heart disease risk. Number 2, olive oil is also rich in antioxidants, which fight off harmful free radicals in the body, helping to keep you youthful and vibrant. 3, let's not forget about olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties. It's like having your own little army fighting off inflammation in your body. 4, honey, nature's sweet nectar, is a natural antibacterial. It can help fight off infections and heal wounds. 5, honey is also a great source of antioxidants. Yes, more of those. 6, when it comes to soothing a sore throat or cough, honey is your go-to. It coats the throat and reduces irritation. 7, the natural sugars in honey can provide a healthy energy boost. It's nature's energy drink minus the scary ingredients. 8, now for lemons. These tangy fruits are a fantastic source of vitamin C. 9, lemons can aid digestion, helping to cleanse your system and keep things moving along smoothly. 10, the citric acid in lemons can help to break down kidney stones. 11 through 15, when combined, these three ingredients can help with weight loss, improve skin health, promote good gut health, boost the immune system, and even help with better sleep. 16, the trio can also help to balance your body's pH levels. 17, they can aid in detoxification. 18, they can provide relief from allergies. 19, they can help to reduce anxiety and depression. And finally, number 20, they can help to improve eye health. As you can see, these three ingredients can seriously upgrade your health game. Number 21 to 40, flavor, flavor, flavor. These three ingredients can take your meals from bland to grand. Starting off with olive oil. This liquid gold can elevate a simple salad to a gourmet experience by providing a smooth, buttery base. It's also perfect for sautéing vegetables, giving them a rich, earthy taste. And who could forget pasta? Drizzle a bit of olive oil for that extra silkiness and you're in for a treat. Now, let's squeeze in some lemon. This citrus king can give your grilled fish a refreshing zing, making it a summer favorite. It's also a secret weapon in baking, enhancing the sweetness of cakes and cookies. And don't even get me started on lemon and tea. It's like a sunrise in a cup. And finally, honey, this sweet nectar is not just for desserts, it's also a champion in savory dishes. Glaze your roasted chicken with honey and watch your family's eyes light up. Add a dollop to a stir fry and you'll get a delicious sweet salty balance. And if you're feeling adventurous, try it on pizza. Yes, pizza, it's a game changer. But these three are not just individual stars, they form a dream team too. Mix them together and you get a dressing that's sweet, tangy, and rich, perfect for any salad. Use them as a marinade and your barbecue will be the talk of the town. And for those with a sweet tooth, whip up a honey lemon olive oil cake. It's moist, it's flavorful, it's heaven on a plate. Remember, these are just 20 ways these ingredients can enhance the flavor of different dishes, but the possibilities are endless. Experiment with proportions, play with combinations, and you'll discover a world of taste you never knew existed. So next time you find your meal lacking flavor, you know what to do. Number 41 to 60, beauty secrets revealed. Who knew the secret to glowing skin and shiny hair was in your kitchen? Let's start with olive oil, the Mediterranean's best-kept beauty secret. It's chock full of antioxidants and vitamins that nourish your skin from the inside out. Mix it with a bit of sugar for a natural moisturizing exfoliant, or use it as a deep conditioner for your hair, leaving it silky and shiny. Next up, lemon. This zesty fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C, a known skin brightener. Dab a bit of lemon juice on your face for a natural glow, but remember, always dilute it with water to avoid irritation. It's also a great remedy for dandruff. Just mix some lemon juice with olive oil, apply it to your scalp, and bid farewell to those pesky white flakes. Now, let's talk honey. This sweet nectar is a natural humectant, meaning it locks moisture into your skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. Use it as a face mask for an instant boost of hydration. And for your hair, honey can help to enhance your natural highlights. Just mix a spoonful of honey with a quart of warm water and use it as a rinse after shampooing. But these three aren't just for your face and hair. Olive oil can soften your cuticles and strengthen your nails. Lemon juice can lighten age spots and even out your skin tone. Honey can heal chapped lips and soothe sunburns. When mixed together, these three create a beauty powerhouse. An olive oil, lemon, and honey mask can rejuvenate your skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and radiant. Apply it on your hair, and it will repair damage, add volume, and provide a lustrous shine. So forget expensive beauty products, just reach out for these three ingredients. They're natural, they're versatile, and most importantly, they work wonders. So why not give it a try? You might just find your new beauty routine right in your kitchen. Number 61 to 80, cleaning hacks. Yes, you heard it right. These ingredients can help you clean too. Let's start with olive oil. This golden liquid is not just a kitchen staple, it can also become your cleaning buddy. 1, it's a great furniture polish. Just dab a bit on a cloth and your wooden furniture will shine like new. 2, it can also remove paint from your skin. Just rub a small amount on the painted area and rinse. 3, olive oil can also be used to lubricate squeaky hinges. A drop or two and the annoying sound is gone. Moving on to lemon. This citrus fruit is a natural cleaning powerhouse. 4, it can help remove hard water stains. Just rub a lemon half on the affected area and rinse. 5, it's a great bleaching agent. Use it to whiten your clothes or brighten your white dishes. 6, it can also freshen up your garbage disposal. Just throw a few lemon peels down the drain and let it do its magic. Now let's talk about honey. This sweet substance is not just for your tea, it can also be a cleaning ally. 7, it's a natural antiseptic. Use it to clean minor cuts and burns. 8, it can clean your face too. Just mix it with a bit of warm water and apply it like a regular face wash. 9, it can also condition and polish leather. Just apply a thin layer on the leather surface and wipe it off after a few minutes. Lastly, let's not forget the combined power of these three ingredients. 10, they can create a natural all-purpose cleaner. Just mix equal parts of olive oil, lemon juice, and honey. Use this magical mixture to clean your kitchen countertops, bathroom tiles, or even your car. So next time you're out of cleaning supplies, don't panic. Just grab these three ingredients. Number 81 to 100, the miscellaneous uses. From soothing a sore throat to acting as a natural preservative, these ingredients are truly versatile. Let's start with the throat-soothing properties. A spoonful of honey, a dash of lemon, and a drop of olive oil can work wonders to ease the discomfort of a pesky cough. Moving on, these three ingredients, when combined, can act as a natural preservative, extending the shelf life of your homemade jams and pickles. Did you know that these ingredients can also be used as a natural insect repellent? That's right. A mixture of these three can keep those pesky bugs at bay. And let's not forget about the hair conditioning properties. A mask made of honey, olive oil, and lemon juice can breathe life into dry, dull tresses. These ingredients can also help you in your gardening endeavors. A mixture of lemon juice and olive oil can shine up those leafy plants, while honey can help propagate cuttings. Speaking of propagation, honey, olive oil, and lemon can also be used to create a biodegradable seed starter. And lastly, these ingredients can be used in various DIY projects, from homemade candles to natural dyes. And there you have it, the last 20 reasons why you should pour olive oil, lemon, and honey on everything. Well, who knew these humble kitchen staples could be so versatile? From health benefits to flavor enhancers, beauty secrets to cleaning hacks, and even some unexpected uses. So next time life gives you lemons, olive oil, and honey, don't just make lemonade, make everything better. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.